Hey everyone! Are you looking to shed some pounds and eat healthy without all the fuss? You're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing my super simple 3-step weight loss meal plan that's nutritious, delicious, and easy to follow. Let's get started. Step 1. Breakfast. Start your day with a nutrient-packed smoothie bowl. Blend spinach, a banana, berries, and a scoop of protein powder. Top with chia seeds and almonds for that crunch. Step 2. Lunch. For lunch, a balanced salad is key. Mix grilled chicken, quinoa, avocado, cherry tomatoes, and your favorite greens. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice. Step 3. Dinner. End your day with a satisfying dinner. Baked salmon, steamed broccoli, and roasted sweet potatoes are perfect. Simple, tasty, and healthy. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to your meal plan and watch those results come in. Follow for more healthy tips.